When you get your Windows 11 computer, you start adding all sorts of things to it like your username. But when you decide it's time for a change, the good news is that you can change it and it is quick and easy, and here's how to do that. So to get started, you can try using the control panel. Just search for control panel, select change account type, and click on the account whose name you want to change. Then select change the account name and continue choosing the change name option. Just take note that if the name change is not visible, it is likely because you selected a Microsoft account. It may require you to use an online username change. Next, you'd also try changing the name using the settings. Go to Accounts, choose Your Info, look for the option Manage My Accounts, select your account, click Edit Name, and then fill out the form. Once done, save it and then restart your computer. And lastly, change your username for a Microsoft account by going to Settings, click Accounts, go to Email and Accounts, look for your account, click Manage, select Your Info, click Edit Name, and then change your username. Now these are the steps that will be handy for future username changes. If you found this video helpful, kindly like and subscribe. You may also click and turn on the notification bell so you can be notified from whenever we release new videos.